Hi students, welcome to our Easy Biology. Today our topic Kreb cycle. The Kreb cycle otherwise called as citric acid cycle or TCA cycle. Citric acid cycle or TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. The German biochemist Sir Hans Adolf Kreb in 1937 he was discovered this cycle. Two molecules of acetyl-CoA formed from link reaction. That acetyl-CoA now enters into TCA cycle. Next, the citric acid cycle. Why that name is coming? The citric acid cycle refers to the first molecules of that form during the cycle's reaction. That citric acid, that is a first molecule. So that cycle name is called the citric acid cycle. Next, TCA cycle. TCA means tricarboxylic acid cycle. Three carboxyl groups on its first three intermediates. The first three intermediates name is citric acid, cis-agonic acid, isocitric acid. So that cycle is called as TCA cycle. That three intermediates contain three carboxylic groups. Next, what is Kreb cycle or what is TCA cycle? The series of cyclic reaction involved in converting pyruvic acid to carbon dioxide and water. Pyruvic acid to carbon dioxide and water molecules in mitochondria, that is called as Kreb cycle. Now we are discussing the steps of TCA cycle. Okay, now steps. Pyruvic acid is converted to acetyl-CoA with the help of pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. This reaction is called as link reaction. This is pyruvic acid enzyme, pyruvate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here oxidation and decarboxylation is takes place. Coenzyme is enters into this reaction. SHCOA, decarboxylation, so carbon dioxide going outside. Here NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions. First, how that is converted? CH3 C double bond O. That coenzyme is enters into this reaction. From carboxyl group, carbon dioxide is going out. So CO2 groups. Next, from this hydrogen and this hydrogen molecules is joined to this NAD. So NADH plus and hydrogen ions remaining these groups. SCOA. This is acetyl-CoA. This is link reaction. Now that acetyl-CoA enters into TCA cycle. Acetyl-CoA reacts with oxaloacetic acid with the help of citrate synthase enzyme. Here condensation processes takes place with the product citric acid. First, oxaloacetic acid. Here water molecules enters into this reaction. Enzyme citric acid synthase or citrate synthase. Here coenzyme is going outside. That water molecules splitting water molecules is hydrogen OH, that OH is enters into this reaction, and so coenzymes SHCOA going outside, remaining is a remaining that product is joined to this oxaloacetic acid. So COOH, then CH3 is converted to CH2, remaining hydrogen is enters into this carbon atom, so that double bond is converted to single bond. So COH balance COOH, CH2, COOH. This is a citric acid. This citric acid contains 3 carboxylic groups. Next, this is a first step reaction. Next, second step reaction. Here, with the help of agonitase enzyme, here water molecule is going outside. This is a dehydration process. Agonitase enzyme. Water molecule is removed, so dehydration process, water molecules removed from the third carbon OH groups and that fourth carbon CH groups. So product COOH, CH2, COOH, that OH and here one hydrogen. So that bond shifted to here. So double bond C hydrogen COOH. This is a cis agonitic acid. Cis agonitic acid. Next, third step. Third step, the cis agonitic acid is converted to isocitric acid with the help of agonitase enzyme. Here rehydration process. Enzyme agonitase. Here addition of water molecules. The water molecules join to the third carbon and fourth carbon. So product is COOH, CH2, C hydrogen OH and CH OH, COO hydrogen. That water molecules is a hydrogen OH. The hydrogen joins to this carbon, OH is joined to this carbon. So COOH, CH2, C hydrogen COOH, C hydrogen OH and COH. This is a isocitric acid. Next, fourth step. In fourth step, isocitric acid is reacted with isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme to form oxalosuccinic acid. This step oxidation takes place. NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. Enzyme isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme. Here NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. From fourth carbon, 2 hydrogen molecules enters into that NAD groups. This 2 hydrogen. So product COO hydrogen, CH2, C hydrogen, COOH. That bond is shifted to here. So C double bond O, COO hydrogen. This is a oxalosuccinic acid. Next, fifth step. In fifth step, the oxalosuccinic acid is converted to alpha ketoglutarate acid. Here, with the help of oxalosuccinate decarboxylase enzyme, in this step, decarboxylation takes place. So, decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide. Enzyme oxalosuccinate decarboxylate. Removal of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is going from this carboxylic groups. So product COO hydrogen, CH2, C, that hydrogen molecules enters into this carbon atom. So the CH is converted to CH2, C double bond O, COO hydrogen. That is a alpha ketoglutarate acid. This is a fifth step. Next, sixth step. In sixth step, alpha ketoglutarate acid is converted to succinyl-CoA. Here, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase enzyme. In this step, oxidation and decarboxylation takes place. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Here, oxidation and decarboxylation. So, decarboxylation, removal of carbon dioxide. Next, NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions. Carbon dioxide is removed from this carboxyl groups, and in this step, coenzyme enters into this reaction. COA, first product COO hydrogen, next CH2, C double bond O. From carboxyl groups, carbon dioxide is going out. Next, this hydrogen and this hydrogen join to NAD, so the NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. Remaining is joined to this group. So, SCOA, that is a succinyl-CoA. Next, seventh step. In seventh step, succinyl-CoA is converted to succinic acid with the help of succinyl-CoA synthase enzyme. Here hydration takes place. In this step, GTP is synthesized. The GTP is phosphorylated. So GDP is converted to GTP. At the same time, that ADP is converted to ATP molecules, and the coenzymes is removed from this reaction. Here enzyme succinyl-CoA synthase. Synthase enzyme. From this reaction, coenzymes removed. Next, GDP is phosphorylated. So GDP is converted to GTP. At the same time, ADP is converted to ATP. Okay, next step, product COOH At the same time, in this reaction hydration, so water molecules enters into this reaction. COOH, CH2, next CH2, that water molecules is here OH and hydrogen. So COOH, remaining coenzyme is removed from this reaction, that is a succinic acid. Next, eighth step. In eighth step, succinic acid is converted to fumaric acid with the help of succinate dehydrogenase enzyme. In this reaction, oxidation takes place. So FAD is converted to FADH2. Succinate dehydrogenase. FAD is converted to FADH2 from this hydrogen and this hydrogen. So COO hydrogen, CH, that bond CH, COOH. This is a fumaric acid. In ninth step, that fumaric acid is converted to malic acid with the help of fumarase enzyme. In this step, hydration processes take place. So water molecules enters into this reaction. So COO hydrogen, next C hydrogen, OH, CH hydrogen, COOH, that is a malic acid. Next, the malic acid is converted to oxaloacetic acid. 10th step, malic acid is converted to oxaloacetic acid with the help of malate dehydrogenase. In this step, oxidation takes place. NAD is converted to NADH plus and hydrogen ions. Malate dehydrogenase, here NAD is converted to NADH plus hydrogen ions. So COOH, from this two hydrogen is joined to NAD. So NAD is converted to NADH2. C double bond O, the CH2COH, that is a oxaloacetic acid. Okay. The summary of link reaction and Kreb cycle in mitochondria is pyruvic acid, NAD, FAD, water molecules, ADP plus phosphate in mitochondrial matrix to form carbon dioxide, NADH plus hydrogen ions, FADH2, water molecules and ATP. Thank you students. Thanks for watching this video.